Top 5 Muscle Foods. Every senior should eat after 60. Common foods that silently damage aging bodies and what to eat instead. If you're over 60, here is something most doctors want to tell you. Your body is losing muscle every single year, even if you feel healthy. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to eat to stay stronger, longer, and age gracefully. Welcome to Graceful Health After 60, where we help you stay active, energized, and independent through the years. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. We release new videos like this every week. Muscles help you stand, walk, climb stairs, carry groceries, and even support your heart and lungs. As we age, we naturally lose about 3 to 5% of our muscle mass per decade after 30, and this accelerates after 60. This leads to frailty, weakness, and a greater chance of injury or hospitalization. But research shows that older adults who maintain strong muscles live longer, stay independent, and experience far fewer falls and fractures. And the best part? You can rebuild muscle at any age with the right nutrition and movement. So let us get into the foods that will help you do just that, and a few to avoid along the way. Coming in at number 5 on our list of top muscle-building foods for seniors is one you may already love, but it is even more powerful than you think. Number 5, eggs, nature's perfect protein. Eggs are one of the most complete sources of high-quality protein available. Just one large egg contains about 6 grams of protein, along with essential amino acids that your muscles crave. Eggs also provide vitamin D, a nutrient that supports muscle function and bone health, both critical after 60. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that higher protein intake, including eggs, helps preserve lean muscle mass in older adults. If you're concerned about cholesterol, recent studies show that 1 egg per day is perfectly safe for most seniors, and the benefits far outweigh the risks. Just be mindful of what you cook them in. Use olive oil instead of butter for an even healthier option. Now, before we move to number 4, let's quickly talk about a common food that silently damages your muscles as you age. Processed meats, like bacon, sausage, and deli meats, may taste good, but they are loaded with preservatives, sodium, and unhealthy fats that increase inflammation and contribute to muscle breakdown. Studies show that diets high in processed meats are linked to weaker muscles and greater frailty in seniors. Instead of processed meats, choose lean, fresh proteins, which brings us to number 4 on our list. Number 4, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is an excellent muscle-friendly food because it is high in protein and also contains calcium and probiotics, nutrients that support both muscles and bones. 1 cup of Greek yogurt can provide around 15 to 20 grams of protein, far more than regular yogurt. It's also easy to digest and makes for a great breakfast or snack, especially when combined with berries and a sprinkle of seeds. Look for plain Greek yogurt without added sugars. Those flavored varieties can be loaded with hidden sugars that harm both muscle and metabolic health. We've already covered eggs and Greek yogurt, but the next 3 foods are even more powerful for muscle health after 60. And coming up, I'll also share the worst hidden ingredient that many seniors unknowingly consume, which can actually accelerate muscle loss. You won't want to miss it. Number 3, salmon and other fatty fish. Salmon is a superfood for seniors, providing both high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, both of which are critical for muscle maintenance and reducing inflammation. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that omega-3s help stimulate muscle protein synthesis in older adults, meaning they help your body build muscle more effectively. Just 1 serving of salmon offers about 22 grams of protein along with heart-healthy fats that support joint flexibility, circulation, and even brain health. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week. Options include salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout. If you don't like fish, you can also talk to your doctor about a good omega-3 supplement. Next on our foods to avoid list sugary drinks like soda, sweet tea, and fruit juices. These beverages spike blood sugar and promote chronic inflammation, which contributes to muscle breakdown and fat gain in older adults. Even seemingly healthy fruit juices can contain more sugar than a candy bar. Instead, hydrate with water, herbal teas, or infused water with lemon or cucumber. Proper hydration is key for muscle function and recovery. Number 2, beans and lentils. Not only are they affordable and easy to prepare, but beans and lentils are packed with plant-based protein, fiber, and key minerals like magnesium and potassium, all of which support muscle strength and heart health. 1 cup of cooked lentils delivers about 18 grams of protein along with fiber that supports gut health, which is increasingly important as we age. Many centenarians, people who live to 100, around the world include beans as a daily staple in their diet. They help maintain lean body mass and provide sustained energy. Try adding black beans to salads, soups, or stews. Enjoy lentil soup with some leafy greens for a powerful muscle-supporting meal. And now, the number 1 most powerful muscle food you should be eating after 60 is coming up next. And trust me, this is one that surprises many seniors. Number 1, chicken thighs, or other lean poultry. Chicken thighs provide a perfect combination of high-quality protein, iron, and B vitamins, nutrients that support both muscle growth and energy production. While many people choose chicken breast, chicken thighs are slightly higher in healthy fats and more flavorful, which can be important as taste preferences change with age. Multiple studies show that older adults who consume adequate animal-based protein experience less muscle loss and greater mobility than those who rely solely on carbohydrates or plant-based foods. Choose skinless chicken thighs and cook them with herbs and olive oil. Pair them with vegetables and beans for a complete muscle-boosting meal. Before we wrap up, one final food to avoid: refined grains like white bread, pastries, and many boxed cereals. These provide empty calories with very little nutritional value. Eggs, Greek yogurt, salmon and other fatty fish, beans and lentils, chicken thighs or lean poultry, and remember to reduce your intake of processed meats, sugary drinks, refined grains. By making these simple swaps, you'll give your body the nutrients it needs to stay strong, active, and independent at any age. If you found this helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more weekly health tips, and share it with a friend or loved one who could benefit. Until next time, stay strong, stay graceful, and be well.